the strongest, most beautiful yes a woman ever gives doesn't come from pressure, speed, or clever lines. It comes from feeling emotionally safe, genuinely valued, and quietly excited about who you are as a man. And that kind of attraction is built slowly through communication, consistent care, and good behavior, not flashy, not manipulative, just real. Understand what women actually need to feel safe saying. Yes, psychology research shows that women, especially women who want long-term relationships, are looking for 3 core things before they fully open their hearts. When you live with integrity, she starts to think, this man is safe, this man is real, this man is different. And that thought is what opens her heart, because women are incredibly good at sensing authenticity. They can feel when a man is performing versus when he's simply being himself. And when they feel the latter, their attraction grows deep, steady, and lasting. Imagine this moment. You're sitting across from her, maybe on a quiet porch swing at sunset or in a little coffee shop on a rainy afternoon. The conversation flows. She laughs at your jokes. Her eyes stay on yours a little longer than usual. And deep inside, you feel it, that quiet hope that maybe, just maybe, she could be the one who says yes to something real. But here's what most men never get told. That yes isn't one with pickup lines, expensive gifts, or trying to be someone you're not. It's earned slowly, honestly, through consistent communication, genuine care, and the kind of good behavior that makes her feel safe, seen, and truly valued. Today we're going to talk about the real slow burn way to build attraction that leads to, yes, I want this with you. Not tricks, not games. Just the kind of man a good woman actually wants to choose. And to show you how powerful this is, let me tell you about Mia. Mia was 31, a pediatric nurse in Denver who walked into her psychologist's office exhausted and guarded. She'd been in 3 serious relationships in 5 years, each one ending with the same painful pattern. Guys who seemed perfect at first, then became controlling, distant, or disappeared when real life showed up. She told her therapist later, with tears of gratitude, for the first time, I didn't have to wonder if he was playing a game. I just knew he was real. And when he asked me to be his girlfriend, I didn't hesitate. I said yes, because he made me feel like yes was safe. Gentlemen, that is the power we're talking about today. Not forcing a yes, not manipulating anyone, but becoming the kind of man who naturally earns a woman's enthusiastic, trusting yes. If that kind of real, lasting connection is what you're after, stay with me. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Women's Mind Secrets, the channel where we open up the real psychology of women, attraction, and healthy relationships straight from the heart of America. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're talking about the slow, honest, powerful way to build attraction that leads to a real yes from a woman who truly wants to be with you. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. We keep it real, respectful, and relationship-focused. Well, let's get into it. Let's talk like men who want something real. In a world full of dating apps, ghosting, situationships, and people playing games, it's easy to think you need some secret tactic to get a woman to say yes to a relationship. But here's the truth most guys never hear. The strongest, most beautiful yes a woman ever gives doesn't come from pressure, speed, or clever lines. It comes from feeling emotionally safe, genuinely valued, and quietly excited about who you are as a man. And that kind of attraction is built slowly through communication, consistent care, and good behavior, not flashy, not manipulative, just real. So today we're going to walk through exactly how that works, step by step, with real psychology, real stories, and real talk. Part 1. Understand what women actually need to feel safe saying. Yes, psychology research shows that women, especially women who want long-term relationships, are looking for 3 core things before they fully open their hearts. Emotional safety. Can I trust you won't hurt me, disappear, or use me? Emotional connection. Do you actually see me, hear me, and care about my inner world? Consistency. Are your words and actions the same over time? When these 3 things are present, a woman's nervous system literally calms down. Her guard lowers. She starts to feel that warm, fluttery feeling of, this might be safe, this might be real. And once she feels that, saying yes to a relationship becomes natural because she wants to keep feeling that way. Part 2. The power of real communication. Communication is not about talking a lot. It's about making her feel heard. Practical ways to do this. Ask open-ended questions about her day, her feelings, her dreams, and actually listen to the answer. Reflect back what she said. So it sounds like that really hurt when your friend canceled last minute. That must have felt lonely. Share a little of yourself too. Vulnerability creates vulnerability. Text with intention. Not just wide, but, hey, was thinking about what you said yesterday about your project. How did the meeting go? When you communicate this way, she starts associating you with feeling understood, which is incredibly rare and addictive in the best way. Part 3. Care, the quiet superpower. Care is shown in small, consistent actions. Remembering things she tells you. Checking in without being asked. Hey, you had that big presentation today. How did it go? Offering support without trying to fix everything. I'm here if you want to vent. Doing thoughtful little things. Bringing her soup when she's sick. Holding her hand during a scary movie. Sending a funny meme that reminded you of her. These small acts build trust faster than grand gestures ever could. Part 4. Good behavior. Being a man of integrity. This is the foundation everything else stands on. Good behavior means keeping your word. Respecting her boundaries. Being kind to other people. How you treat others is how you'll eventually treat her. Owning your mistakes. I was wrong about that. I'm sorry, and I'll do better. Having your own life, so she doesn't feel like your entire happiness depends on her. When you live with integrity, she starts to think, this man is safe, this man is real, this man is different. And that thought is what opens her heart. Part 5. Real stories of men who did it right. Let me share a few quick, powerful examples. Michael from Atlanta stopped chasing, started listening. After months of patient, caring communication, his friend-turned-crush told him, I never felt this safe with anyone before. Yes, I'll be your girlfriend. David from Portland. After a string of shallow relationships, he focused on consistency and kindness. His now wife said in their wedding vows, you made me believe good men still exist. These aren't fairy tales. They're proof that real care, real communication, and real character still win. Part 6. Why this works better than any tactic. Because women are incredibly good at sensing authenticity. They can feel when a man is performing versus when he's simply being himself. And when they feel the latter, their attraction grows deep, steady, and lasting. So here's your challenge. Be the man who shows up. Be the man who listens. Be the man who cares without keeping score. Do that long enough with the right woman. And one day she'll look at you, smile that soft, knowing smile and say, yes, I want this, with you. That's the win we're after, not a forced, yes, a real one. And that's worth everything. That's it for today on Women's Mind Secrets. If this message stirred something in you, if you want to be the kind of man who earns a real yes, give this a like, drop a comment with one thing you're going to start doing differently, and subscribe so we can keep walking this path together. Until next time, be real, be kind, be consistent. The right woman will notice. See you soon. Take care.